I'll never forget the day I decided to stop eating animals. I was 12 years old, sitting at our home at our kitchen table in Melbourne, Florida, reading the local newspaper when I came across an organization called PETA. Curious, I went online to see what they were all about, and what I saw changed my life forever. I saw undercover footage of slaughterhouses, and 30 seconds into the video, I broke down into tears and immediately told my parents that I would never eat animals again. I had no idea this decision, which I stuck to, would change the rest of my life. After graduating from UC Berkeley, I was accepted into the Masters of Public Health program. I planned to focus on plant-based food systems because within these systems I saw solutions to problems like chronic disease, climate change, animal welfare, and more. But I ran into a brick wall. Despite being a progressive master's program, Berkeley offered no coursework that addressed plant-based food systems or the harmful effects of animal agriculture. None. I was frustrated but still determined to have this issue integrated not only into academia but the business community and society at large as well. The seeds of Plant Futures were planted during my second semester when I crossed paths with the former professor, world-renowned entrepreneur, and mentor, Will Rosenzweig. Will encouraged me to channel my excitement for plant-based food into creating Berkeley's first ever course on the subject. During the pandemic summer of 2020 at my parents' home in Florida, I drafted countless iterations of the Plant Futures syllabus, thinking about this unique program and whether it could ever actually exist. Exactly 2 years later, we have evolved from a class project into a 501c3 educational nonprofit, the Plant Futures Initiative. The second cohort of students just completed the course, which is offered for academic credit at UC Berkeley, UCLA, and soon at Harvard University. The two-part course kicked off with our second annual symposium in January, which featured world-renowned speakers from the plant-based industry, academia, and research sectors, and over 600 attendees from 53 different countries. Students are also enrolling in our 14-week Challenge Lab course, which pairs student teams with mid-career professionals to address specific challenges in the plant-based food and ag sector. For example, Michael, Alejandra, and Jessica are a student team working with Christina, the VP of Marketing at Meaty Foods. Meaty is a new company designing and creating a protein from mycelium, a nutrient-rich and sustainable alternative to animal protein. Meaty is eager to reach Gen Z consumers, and the student team is teaching the company how to speak their language. At the same time, Christina is teaching the students practical, hands-on skills that will deepen their understanding of plant-centric food systems and help them launch careers in this field. The plant-based food sector is rapidly expanding. It's attracting unprecedented capital, as much as $74.2 billion by 2027, and it's experiencing significant job growth. More and more students and young professionals have a passionate desire to align their values with their professional careers, and we are helping to provide a path. Given the critical challenges facing our world, the work of Plant Futures could not be more critical to the health of our people or our planet.